Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Huawei Band 7. First, ensure your band is fully charged. This typically takes around 100 minutes for a complete charge. Next, download and install the Huawei Health app, which is essential for managing your device. Finally, activate Bluetooth on your smartphone and keep your band within a few feet for a seamless initial connection process. Now, open the Huawei Health app on your smartphone. Navigate to the Devices section, then tap Add Device to begin. From the list, select Smart Bands and specifically choose Huawei Band 7. Your band will then display a pairing request. Simply tap the checkmark icon on its screen to confirm and finalize the connection. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of both your smartphone and your Huawei Band 7 can often resolve them. Additionally, clearing the cache of the Huawei Health app through your phone settings might help. Always ensure the app has all necessary permissions, such as location and Bluetooth, enabled for optimal and stable performance. Once successfully connected, you can personalize your Huawei Band 7 extensively. Customize watch faces to match your style and manage notification settings directly within the app. The band diligently tracks your daily steps, monitors your heart rate continuously, and analyzes your sleep patterns, providing valuable health insights. Explore the app to discover various workout modes and other advanced health monitoring features available to you.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.